Farley. Today we're in downtown LA. You know what? A lot of people who live in Los Angeles don't come downtown. I mean, the tourists don't come down very much, but even Angelinos don't visit downtown very often. So I'm here to show you just a tiny bit of what's down here and what there is to see. And right now I'm in the Music Center complex, and the best, biggest, most glamorous theaters we have in Los Angeles are right here behind me. So we're gonna see the outsides of those theaters here, plus some of the great museums, a whole host of things to see, and maybe we'll eat a little bit too, because I always have to have some good food on these adventures. So let's go. Super cool, dude. I don't even know what this is. I don't know what this is, but I'm at Grand Central Market, and this is really cool. Now we're gonna eat. So cool. good. And let me show it to you. Yeah. The chicken's really healthy. And there's some kimchi and some potato dish, a little side there. And also something that looks really, really spicy that I'm not going to touch. Anyway, I also want to try and go to the donut place here because, you know, I have to eat well and always have dessert. It's amazing that I had lunch before dessert this time. Aren't you proud of me? I'm doing it the right way, people. I'm so healthy, but I'm still gonna have a donut because there's so much food here, it's almost overwhelming. So, you know, if you come here, do a little research before you come so you know which are the best places and what's been recommended to you. This is a Korean place that came highly recommended. So, and there was no line. Woo! Because there are a lot of lines here for the good food. Anyway, here I go. I gotta keep eating. You're interrupting me. So they're famous for their strawberry donut. Here's the sign up there. Can you see it? It's probably... Oh. But I'm waiting in this this long line. So I'm sure people are getting like a dozen donuts on every order. And I just want one. Just one donut. So here we go. We're moving. Oh my God. Wow. Okay, so I got the tiger tail donut instead because that strawberry thing, you saw it, that would be such a mess in public, like I couldn't do it to myself. So, but the tiger tail, pretty good. The prices there, really good. So, I highly recommend as I eat the tiger tail in front of you. If you like Krispy Kreme, it's like that kind of Krispy Kreme vibe. It's really fresh and fluffy. So good. Now, if you've ever gotten one of those big strawberry, fresh strawberry donuts, let me know. Because I'm sure they're really good. They're so popular there. And what a line. Everyone's buying a dozen of donuts, you know. It's why it takes a little bit long. So allow for some time, well, at anything here at the market, because it's just a really, really popular place. Everyone, there's tourists, and then there's everyone who works downtown is here. So forget about it. And people who live here, people live downtown, you know. They eat here too. Anyway, but the donuts are really well priced. So big thumb up. Big thumb up? Big thumbs up. Big thumbs up from me.